In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under the topic distributive trade. So we'll be focusing on the subtopic the middleman. Alright, so guys, we have 550 questions to practice under this subtopic the middleman in distributive trade. So let's get started. The first question I have here says the middlemen in the chain of distribution are consumers and wholesalers, retailers and consumers, wholesalers and retailers, manufacturers and consumers. So this is very simple, is option C, wholesalers and retailers. Okay, so the next question I have here is this one. It says distribution of goods and services is hindered by adequate market information, too many middlemen, good road network, efficient storage facility. The right answer is option B, which is too many middlemen. Okay, the next question is this one. It says the middleman is responsible for we have designing the product, breaking the bulk, providing research facilities, purchasing raw material. The right answer is option B, which is breaking the bulk. Okay, very important. Next question I have here is this one. It says distribution of goods and services is hindered by adequate market information. I think we have already answered this question. Is hindered by too many middlemen, option B. So that's it. The next question, which is the last question for end this video, is this one. It says one good reason for the elimination of middlemen is that the grade and blend goods cause increase in price, help in price stability are too many. The right answer is option B, which is a cost increase in price. So guys, this is basically can see problems under middlemen in distributive trade for the JAMB economics problems. We practice with about 550 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you're subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel or what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question at the section below and I will ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information to help you to excel in your SNE exam, your KWASI and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the next above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.